First off, let's bust a myth. Holistic medicine, despite what some think, isn't a bunch of hippies chanting in a circle while waving around crystals. Nope, it's all about treating the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. It's like the ultimate self-care package. Now let's talk benefits. Picture this, you're a car. With holistic medicine, you're not just getting your oil changed. Oh no, you're getting a full engine overhaul, a spanking new paint job, and even one of those little pine tree air fresheners. It's about optimizing your entire system, not just fixing a flat tire. But wait, there's more. Holistic medicine isn't just about treating ailments, it's also about preventing them. It's like having a superhero sidekick who's always got your back. So instead of waiting for the villainous cold to strike, holistic medicine is out there, cape fluttering in the wind, ready to ward off any potential sniffles. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I incorporate this into my daily life? Well, my friend, it's as easy as pie. And speaking of pie, how about swapping that sugary dessert for a piece of fruit? Or better yet, a fruit pie. But remember, not all fruits are as innocent as they seem. Some of them are secret agents for the sugar mafia. I'm looking at you. Bananas, mangoes, and grapes. Want more? How about a morning meditation to kickstart your day? It's like giving your mind a cup of coffee. Or try yoga. It's not just for ultra-flexible people who can touch their toes without wincing. It's for everyone. And the best part, you can do it in your pajamas. And let's not forget about laughter. It's the best medicine after all. So go ahead, laugh at that corny joke, share a giggle with a friend, heck, even laugh at this video. It's all in the name of health. So in conclusion, holistic medicine isn't some mystical, out-of-reach concept. It's about balance, prevention, and treating the whole you. It's like a friendly neighborhood health party, and everyone's invited. So come on in, the water's fine. And remember, keep it holistic, folks. All right, that's it for today's video on holistic medicine. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Our journey into the world of holistic health doesn't end here, though. If you want to continue learning about holistic practices, preventative measures, and how to lead a balanced life, please consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly bring you content that educates, informs, and inspires. If you found this video useful, we would appreciate it if you could hit that like button. Your engagement helps us grow and allows us to reach more people, sharing the wonderful world of holistic health with them. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. And as always, keep it holistic, folks.